Hello and welcome. I'm Rabby Hassan from Online Money Carrier. In this video, I will show you how you can make Amazon affiliate account or Amazon associate account in just 10 minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. To make Amazon affiliate account, you have to search on Google, that is Amazon uh, Amazon affiliate, and you have to search let's see what. Then you will get the affiliate program.amazon.com. You have to click on it, and I'm just opening it on a new tab. Let's click on opening new tab. After that, you have to click on, okay, wait till then it's fully loaded. You have to click on join now for free, and you have to wait, and let's see. So you have to make a Amazon account there. Okay, so let's sign in, or okay, let's create an Amazon account now. I'm filling all those things perfectly. Till then, just wait. I have to pause the video, and I will complete all those things, and after that I will continue. Okay, after filling all those things perfectly, and you will see verify your email address. Actually, I'm using temp mail just for the tutorial purpose, but don't use temp mail, use your own Gmail. What do you want, which Gmail you want to make an Amazon affiliate account. So you have to copy the OTP, and you have to paste it on the OTP box, and let's create your Amazon account. We have to wait. Okay, the pop-ups come now. It's the Amazon associate panel, where you have to fill your all information perfectly, and you have to you can't input wrong data or wrong information, just because if you fill wrong information, then your account will must be banned and you will not get any payment from them. And if you put wrong information, then you can also face some problem on your payment time. So that's why you have to fill the right information on the form. And remember one thing, if you are under 18, then please use your father's information or mother's information, or your if you have a brother, big brother, then you can use his information too. So let's fill the information perfectly, and after filling that, I will describe you that what I just filled and how you can get the information. So till just for now, I have to pause the video. So I just fill a little, and now I am just going to describe you that what you have to make, what you have to fill and how you can fill. Okay, so in the pay name, you have to enter the name of your who will get the payment, or the payment will be released in which name. If you making if you making in the account with your father's name, then the pay name will be your father's name. If you're making the account with your brother's name, then the pay name will be your brother's name. Address line, in the address line you can't input the wrong address. You have to put the address, exact address, which is on your passport or which is on your NID, or your brother's NID or your father's NID. And if your address is long, then you can use address line 123. Then your real city, where and the city where you just where your the city on your passport, the city or on your NID, national ID card. So you have to fill the city, and it's you have to make it real. You can't make the wrong information. Then the state which is in on your passport, which is in your NID card. The zip or postal code, you have to provide the accurate and exact postal code which is on your passport, which is on your NID card. and the country where you live. So if you live on India and Bangladesh and like other country, you have to search, or if you don't get the right your country, then just select United States. And now the question is the phone number. You have to provide the selected country's phone number. So if you are outside of US, you can use the text now. Now many people don't know what is text now. Let's see what is text now. Yes, there is text now, and you can make a free account with that, and you will get a free phone number. And with this phone number you can verify your Amazon associate account. Now, who is the main contact for this account? That means that if your account face some problem with your payment and all those things, then the Amazon who will contact. You have to the pay listed above. That means the you have to select this, just because if you have some problem, then they will contact to your contact information that you already provided. Don't select someone else. I need to enter their information. If you are working as a company, then you can click on that, and you have to fill the contact name and the contact phone number. But I prefer the pay listed above. That means the person who you already which on information you already provided. So after that you have to click on next. Actually I can't go to the next. And okay, I have to fill the information, and I can, let's see. Okay, actually I tried, but I failed just because I'm already using a Amazon affiliate account. But I feel risky to make another Amazon affiliate account from the same IP. So I don't want to do this. But I am actually providing you all the ways that how you can make Amazon account. But in the website and mobile app list, they just want to know that how you can which system you will promote their products. If you have website, then you have to give a website. I prefer a technique on that. If they ask for any website, just go on the Google and search Amazon. Don't search for Amazon affiliated website. Just search for you can make also your own blog, and you can post approximately 10 or 8 posts on that. Then you can also provide it as your website. And if you just say in mobile app list, if you have app, you can you can provide the link, or if you don't have, just ignore it. After that they will ask for how many traffic you have on your website. Just select the medium, 3000 to 5000. And after that just complete the profile and start using the Amazon Associate Central. So let's see how the Amazon Associate Central looks like. I have to pause my video just because the security purpose, so I have to pause. So I just logged in on my on it's not mine, it's new it's my student's account, Amazon Associate account. And let's see, I'm just using the Amazon Associate account to teach you how to use the Amazon Associate Central. So let's start. It's your dashboard, and the dashboard will in this dashboard you can see how many people just clicked on your Amazon link. And you the dashboard is separated by day. So you can see, you can in the right side you can see the summary of this month, total item shipped. If you sell an item, you can if you just able to sell an item, you can, and the item will show there. And total earnings, the total earnings is 0 just because my student doesn't make any sales. till now. So total order items 0. The click is 3 in just 24 hours. The click is 3. Conversation is 0.00%. In down, its total fees, total bounties, clicks is the same. So that's the thing, and Amazon is just promoting their products and to just provide the referring and promotion. uh, okay. In it, it's a home, and it's the product linking where you can just link your products, and just like so you can get the referral links, the affiliate links of a product from the product links. Banners, if you have your website, then you can add your banners ad, just like you just like that you can make a banner ads like that. Native shopping ads, um native shopping ads just like same like banner ads. Mobile pop over link to any page. Actually, in my experience, Amazon doesn't support actually the pop up over, so that's why I will suggest you to work with the product links, banner, native shopping ads. There is the promotion, featured promotion, Amazon bounty program, Amazon promo codes. Here you will find the featured promotions, which item is best selling, which their product is best selling. But I prefer that you in the first position, as a beginner, just use the product links to get the referral links and do your marketing to sell those items. So to get the now the question is how to generate Amazon affiliate links. To generate Amazon affiliate link, you have to come to the hover on the product linking, then you have to come to the product links, and you have to click on the product links, and you have to wait. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so the pop-up and the website is fully loaded now. You have to obviously you have to research the product what you want to promote. After that, suppose I want to promote the hard drive. Hard drive. Then you have to click on enter, and let's see what will happen. Okay, there is tons of products of Amazon. Suppose I want to promote this hard drive, CJ Barracuda 2 TB internal hard drive. Okay, which is price is $49. To get the link, you have to click on get link, and it's loading. We have to wait. After that, if you want to using it if you want to use it on your post, on your blog post, or on your website post, then you can you can design the colors, all those things from there. You will get the color codes from the website. You can also click that, if anyone click on that, then it will open on a link new tab. And if you if you I will explain it later, that how to add on a post. So now you just want to get the link, Amazon link, so you have to click on the text only. Then you have to click on the standard link. It's the full link of the product, and we prefer short link for marketing. So you can click on the short link, then it's the short link of your affiliate marketing affiliate product. So let's sorry, so let's click the link to just check that is it working or not. So I'm just pasting on it, and let's click on enter, and let's see. Okay, now check the link, that is it referral. That there is ref, that means it's referral link as LITI camp. It's already a referral link, and which is 100% true. And there is my student's name, Rabby H CPA. It's the account name. So that how you can make generate the referral links, and how you can make the Amazon associate account, and how you can earn much to pay your life good. So that's it for now. I'm Rabby Hassan signing off for now. And you all know that Mr. Neil is just uh, making the course, but at the position Mr. Neil is just busy on his work and he's unable to provide the video, the how that the video that is how to make Amazon associate account. That's why I'm just making the video, but the other video will definitely provided by Mr. Neil. So, and I can see that you all are enjoying Mr. Neil's tutorial. So good luck for now. I hope you will enjoy the video, enjoy the classes, and I hope you will make some good money, good amount of money, and you can make a passive income machine with this. So till then, I'm Rabby Hassan, leaving now. See you in my next video. Till then, just be with me, subscribe my channel, like the video if you get any help from us, and be with me. Bye.